Welcome. In this video, we will walk you through how to fix Pokemon Go if it's stuck on the loading screen. Let's dive in and get you back in the game. First, close Pokemon Go completely, including from the background. Then reopen it. Sometimes a quick, simple restart can fix loading issues and get you past the start screen. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Loading problems often occur due to weak or unstable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reconnecting to a different Wi-Fi network to see if it helps. Next, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and look for updates. Pokemon Go often releases updates with fixes for loading and performance issues, so make sure you have the latest version installed. If you are on Android, clearing the app's cache may help. Go to Settings, then Apps, then App Management, find Pokemon Go, then go to Storage and tab Clear Cache. This can remove any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the issue. Pokemon Go requires location access to load properly. Go to Settings, select Location and make sure it's enabled. Set it to high accuracy for best results. Sometimes Pokemon Go servers are down, which can cause loading issues. You can check the server status by visiting Niantic's Twitter page or using websites like Down Detector. If there is a server issue, you may need to wait until it's resolved. If none of other steps work to restart your phone, rebooting can clear up any system issues that might be causing Pokemon Go to get stuck on the loading screen. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Pokemon Go. Go to your App Store, delete app, then download it again. Reinstalling can resolve more persistent issues, but make sure you remember your login information so you don't lose your progress. And that's it. Following these tips should help Pokemon Go load successfully. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.